Hello everybody, I am Jonathan from Funny Up Studios, and welcome to another LEGO creation. This is the Downtown Candy Shop, and this took me about 4 hours, I think. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, 4 hours. But so this has 3 floors, and you can't access this floor. Well, we can take a peek though. So, anyways, let's get to the first floor, which is the candy shop. Sorry about my shadow. Here is the candy shop. You got a spiral staircase. You can look through the window. You can see the nice little displays. There's all sorts of things in there. Got a display case, a gumball machine, a basket with a lollipop, spiral staircase leads to an apartment up above. Probably belongs to the shop owner. Here is the second floor. Got the spiral staircase down there with the door. To this hallway. Goes into the bedroom. Got boxes, carpets, shelves, and a bed, and a little computer. Down here you've got a nice view of the street and a fish tank. Here's a better look at the computer. So is the second floor. Also here is like a little roof area. Can't take a peek from here. It's kind of a little dark. Thank you for watching, everybody. Give us a video like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell notification for give us a video like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell notification when I upload a video. If you use multiple apps, that's fine too. Just click the bell, subscribe, and good to go. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry about the intro. I just woke up. I am really sick right now. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.